Xionis is a cross-chain finance and DAO platform created for the Xeon ecosystem. Um, our main motive is to bring the users from EVM to Xeon chain. So let's get started with the demo. So first of all, don't forget to connect your wallet, and after that, you can go to your trust score, and here you can select any kind of providers from this list. I've already verified for GitHub. You can select any of these, and once you scan this QR code from your mobile phone and verify on Reclaim app, uh, your trust score will automatically increase. Currently, we have 5 providers, but this can be easily increased. So the main motive behind this is to provide discounts to our users for collateral. So this way we get trust from our users. So this allows us to easily manage collaterals and provide incentives to our users. And we have also used Xeon Meta accounts for this project. Once you have enough trust score, you can get a loan. For example, if I want a loan of 120 Xeon, wait for it to fetch the collateral. Yeah, so the collateral required is in USDC, which can be taken from EVM chain and which is transferred using the following flow. So the flow is explained on our Gitbook. So the first thing is to burn the token from an EVM chain, and after that it comes to Noble chain using CCTP, and after that it can be transferred to a Xeon chain using IBC. And we have also implemented governance. So here you can add proposals and view the members that are participating in the governance. So this allows to shape the Xeon ecosystem in a better way. And as I told, our main aim is to bring EVM users to Xeon. So there's a huge problem of interoperability. So we are trying to bridge that gap. And we also allow dynamic collateralization. So we periodically fetch a price from Pith and change our collaterals using that.
And I will be explaining you the architecture of the Xionis app. As Parth would have already explained you, Xionis is a cross-chain lending platform that helps in bridging the gap between Cosmos and EVM ecosystem, and especially from EVM to Zion ecosystem. As most newcomer people who are new to the crypto world, they are usually start with the EVM ecosystem such as Arbitrum and other chains. So for such people, it is Xionis will be helpful for them to move towards the Zion ecosystem. So basically, let me tell you how it happens. So the user, basically, there are three main contracts and a backend. So the user comes and he deposits his USDC maybe on Arbitrum. Now using the CCTP provided by Noble Circle, CCTP stands for Cross Chain Transfer Protocol. So basically now the USDC on Arbitrum will be converted to USDC on Noble using the CCTP calls, and I have explained the code and the working here, that like it burns USDC first on Ethereum and then receives the message and generates the attestation, etc. So this will happen through CCTP, and now after the CCTP call, the USDC will be available on Noble. Now as we have the USDC available on Noble, now we can simply take two liquidity pools from a escrow service and simply convert our USDC Noble's equivalent amount into Xiono Noble, and from Xiono Noble we can use the channel 147 and make an IBC call from our lending protocol contract which I have written, and from there you can see that we will receive Xeon tokens on our address. So basically this was the overall working, and here I have in the docs also explained about the working of the contracts. I have also written the address where the contracts have been deployed, and you can see we can also use Zion for the vice versa. Like if you want to move from Zion, you want to exchange the Zion tokens into the into USDC on Arbitrum maybe. And so this was basically the working and a bit about the architecture. There is also, we have added governance. So there is a governance contract where user can can make a proposal and people can vote. So basically the governance is now not properly implemented, but we have written the contracts, and a little bit of the implementation is left, but the working will be very simple, that people who take a loan will get similar amounts of our governance token, and using that governance token they can simply make votes on the proposals that other people have made. So now moving on to the future. For the future, we first of all obviously want to audit the contracts, as the contracts handle money, and also want to properly audit and secure the CCTP system, and then make the checks. Then also the governance contract implementation, as I told, and also the backend enhancements, as currently we are using directly the escrow service. I would want that to be, instead of using this, we can use skip or any other abstract.money type thing that will be helpful for us. And now moving on to the challenges we faced, like there were a bit of challenges in using IBC, and the PITH SDK was not compiling properly in the custom contracts, because we needed the price feeds and we needed to calculate the delta so that we can generate the collateral value, and for good users it should be low. So, and also it should also depend upon the tokens value. So, and also the reclaim protocol, the integration for the credit score part was also a bit tough, and again the governance contract deployment. So basically this was our project, and hope you guys liked it. Thanks a lot.